If you've been looking for an easy way to brainstorm, plan, and collaborate visually, Lucidspark is a fantastic whiteboard tool to learn. In this video, I'll show you how to use Lucidspark Whiteboard step by step, from creating your first board to adding content, organizing ideas, and sharing with others. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidspark account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the plus new button. This is where you'll start a fresh whiteboard. Click it and then choose either blank board if you want to begin from scratch, or create from template if you want a ready-made layout to save time. If you're new to whiteboarding, templates can be a great way to get started quickly, but if you want full freedom, the blank board gives you an empty canvas to build your ideas exactly the way you want. Now that your board is open, let's talk about moving around the space. Whiteboards can get large very quickly, so it's important to know how to navigate comfortably. You can click and drag the canvas to move around the board. If you want to zoom in for detail or zoom out for a wider view, use your mouse wheel. And if your board starts getting bigger and more complex, look at the mini-map in the bottom right corner. The mini-map helps you see the entire board at once and jump to different areas faster. Next, let's add some content. This is where Lucidspark really starts to come alive. On the toolbar, you'll find tools for sticky notes, text, and shapes. Click the sticky note tool when you want to quickly capture ideas, tasks, or feedback. Click the text tool if you need to type something more detailed or structured. And use the shapes tool when you want boxes, circles, arrows, or other visual elements to organize your thoughts. After placing an item on the board, you can double-click it to edit the content. That makes it easy to update notes, change text, or refine your ideas on the fly. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons people use Lucidspark for meetings, planning sessions, and team collaboration. Now, let's connect and customize your items. If you want to show relationships between ideas, look for the red connection point on a shape or sticky note. Drag from that point to another item to create a connection. This is especially useful for mapping processes, creating flowcharts, or showing how one idea leads to another. You can also click on any item to change its color, size, or style. This helps you make important points stand out and keeps your board visually organized. If something feels out of place, simply move it around or resize it until the layout looks right. A clean, well-structured board is much easier to understand and share with your team. Once you've added your content, the next step is organizing everything. Lucidspark makes this easy with frames and containers. Press F on your keyboard to create a frame, then drag your content into that frame so related items stay grouped together. Frames are perfect for separating sections of your brainstorming session, like ideas, action items, or project stages. If you want even more structure, select multiple items and group them into a container. This is a great way to keep connected content together and make your board feel more polished and manageable. The more organized your board is, the easier it will be for you and your team to follow the conversation. Finally, let's look at collaboration. One of the best parts of Lucidspark is how easy it is to work with other people in real time. To share your board, click Share in the top right corner. From there, you can enter email addresses directly or copy a share link and send it to your team. Before sending it out, choose the correct permission level. You can let others view the board, comment on it, or edit it, depending on how much access you want to give. This is great for team projects, workshops, planning meetings, and remote collaboration, and that's the basics of how to use Lucidspark Whiteboard. You now know how to create a board, move around the canvas, add notes and shapes, connect ideas, organize your content, and share everything with others. Once you practice a little, it becomes a really powerful tool for brainstorming and teamwork. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more Lucidspark tips in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.